if you want to outdo everyone on the golf course, check out these Paul Caicos for the discerning golfer shoes. These were sent to me to review, and I thank them for that. I'm going to give you a quick close look. These are cleatless golfing shoes, but they are comfortable. You can wear these on the green, in the pro shop, at the club, out and about, wherever you want. I'm going to be doing a review. You can see I have a little thing here. Disc, nice and hard. They should be nice to golf in. Can't wait to go try them out. I will let you know. Very comfortable, nice, fun colors. And look, it even says golf on there. So you're going to know these are the right shoes. They have a little extra right here. You can see, so, you're not stubbing your toe. A little extra here. You're going to get good traction out there, and they're going to be a lot more comfortable to walk around in than your just cleats. Nice, stylish laces. Pull tab here. Low support here, so you can show off your cool golfing socks. I'll show you inside. Right in here. So let's go wear these, go hit some balls and see how well they work. All right, let's try out the shoes. They're super comfortable. Definitely feel nice with your golf club. Good bite. No, I am not a great golfer at all, but good turn. I think feels good on them. And they're comfortable to just walk around in as well. I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.